Don't override your body's truth. Oh my God, this is such an important one. I mean, they are all important, but this one, we are so easily to override. And that's because we don't have our own boundaries set. We don't know exactly what is right for us. This is also tuning in. What is it that we really need? What is it that we really, truly need for this body to function well? For this soul to thrive here on earth? Do we need more things to do? Do we need to do more? Do we need to do less? And listen to that voice.